My wife and I are looking at buying a travel trailer so that we can visit other farms and homesteads and help them out. So let's see if my truck can tow this trailer. There's a stupid amount of misunderstanding when it comes to towing capacity, and I wonder why. This is the rated tow capacity of my truck, but is it really? Let's find out. If you want a masterclass on towing capacity of vehicles, I suggest you go to keepyourdaydream.com/payload and watch the video there, and then there's also a spreadsheet that I'll use later in the video. I would explain all of these terms, but you would be incredibly bored. And so instead, just Google Kurt Manufacturing towing capacity to find this chart. Go find the sticker on your door because all of these numbers you'll need to reference later for your specific vehicle. Do not try to look it up online. They won't do you any good. All right, so here's the spreadsheet from Keep Your Daydream that I referenced. So put in my truck at the top and let's start filling out the sheet. This is the fun part where we start looking at charts. This part you can Google off of numbers from your sticker on your door. So to find this, I searched for 2011 Ford F-150 XLT curb weight and then scrolled down to weight and towing section. From the sticker, I know I have a 157-inch wheelbase and I know I have the 3.5 liter EcoBoost, so that's how I get my curb weight of 5,745 pounds. So let's go ahead and put that in the spreadsheet. Now we're looking for GVWR, or the gross vehicle weight rating, and so you can see that my vehicle is 7,700 pounds. Now we add that to the spreadsheet here. Next, to find the GCVWR, the gross combined vehicle weight rating, we have to go back to the sticker. And so the axle ratio determines this number. So we have to go back to the sticker and look for this axle code. Mine is L6. What does that mean? Let's look it up. I had to search for 2011 F-150 axle ratio code and find this other chart that gives me my axle ratio of 3.73. Going back to that first set of charts, scroll down to conventional towing, maximum loaded trailer weight ratings. And remember, we're looking for GCWR, the gross combined weight rating, or the maximum towing weight of a vehicle. And you can see that mine is 15,200 pounds based on the 3.73 axle ratio. While we're here, let's pick up this other number, 11,200 pounds, based on my 157-inch wheelbase. Now we put in our 15,200 pounds and our 11,200 pounds under towing capacity. Going back to the sticker on the door, I have a payload capacity of 1,747 pounds. Now we add the 1,747 pounds to the chart, and now the top part is filled in. We're almost there. Not really. To fill in the estimated payload, I put in 450 pounds between me, my wife, and my 2 kids. And then cargo weight, I estimated at 400 pounds, but you'll have to go to like a CAT scale or something like that and weigh it all just to be sure that's what your cargo is. But let's just put in 400 pounds for now. After that, that fills in the rest of the chart here under hitched. Now we take our payload of 1,747 pounds minus 850 pounds equals 897 pounds. Now we have to go to the other half of the spreadsheet to get the rest of those numbers below. After walking through dozens and dozens of travel trailers and looking at hundreds upon hundreds online, this is the one that my wife and I like the most so far, and we're going to use this as an example. Your travel trailer that you want is up to you, your personal preference, whatever fits your needs. So we need to look for specifications. Right here, dry weight, payload capacity, gross vehicle weight rating, and hitch weight. Let's add in our unloaded vehicle weight, gross vehicle weight rating of the trailer, and finally the hitch weight. Scrolling back over to this part of the spreadsheet with the truck towing capacity, you should notice 2 things. First is that the hitch weight of the trailer got deducted, so the new payload is 182 pounds available. The next thing you should notice is the new gross cargo vehicle weight in comparison to the original. 16,110 pounds is more than 15,200 pounds, so this does not work. But wait! This is what I call a pro gamer move. Let's go back to the travel trailer specs, and this number here is the maximum weight of the trailer, including cargo. And change this number, drop 1,000 pounds, to this number, and plug it in, see what happens. All we're doing is limiting the amount of cargo I can put in the trailer. Max cargo. What changed in the truck towing specs? The new GCVW dropped down to 15,110 pounds. We are now under our 15,200 pound limit. I'm not necessarily recommending that you do this. I'm just giving you information that might be useful. It's also important to keep in mind weather and road conditions when towing. Of course, verify all of this all on your own. This isn't on me if your numbers are wrong, or on Keep Your Daydream. That's not on him either. It says right in there, verify yourself. If you have any questions, I'll try to help you out in the comments down below. So yeah, safe travels. I am Matt of A Farm Hop Life. You can check us out, farmhoplife.com. We are also on Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, a bunch of other places. All of this is to prepare for our 20 by 23 project, where we're going to visit 20 homesteads in the year 2023. Hope to see you.